Hello guys, this is a Land Cruiser FJ200 2016 to 2021 look. So from 2008 2015 you want to convert to 2016 to 2020-21 look. So that's the package. It includes also the side steps. Side steps are Lexus style, as you can see, with lights. Light is included here. Okay, that's a complete chrome package. We will provide you original logo for the grille. That's a step cover for the back. Hood. This is a bumpers, GB quality. PP plastic, of course, not polyurethane, not some kind of, cheap ABS stuff. So that's a proper PP plastic. This is the interior package. You can see this is like a proper VXR style with all that buttons included. If you like, we can provide you with the wireless charger for your iPhone as well. We have that in stock. I believe that's the connections for the wireless, as far as I know. That's a center speaker for the console. You can see it has that, it's not closed, so if you have the woofer it will work properly. Then that's a silver roof rack. You can see it's a hyper silver, not some kind of cheap chrome or stuff like that. So it's a proper one. That's a headrest DVD with all the connectors, of course. You can see it's mounted this way. So it's like all that Mercedes GL or new Lexus LX 570. So it's mounted like this, separately from the headrest on that studs. That's a Tesla style DVD. That's the steering wheel. We have a gear knob in the same color wood and leather. Includes the airbag cover, all the switches, buttons. If you want the whole mirror to be changed, that's a complete mirror, 2021 style, with all that chrome trims. You can see all the wire connectors. If you don't need the whole mirror, you can change just the covers. Okay, that's another style. Body kit, lip spoilers with the grille, also like 21 style. That's a rear lip, that's the front lip. Another lip is here. So we have it painted white, we have it painted black. If you want to change and go for the original bumpers, you can add $250 and we will change those front and rear bumpers to the original. Okay guys, you can have original hood. This customer prefer engine hood to be original. And also he added that splash guards. Okay, that's fender liners. The tail lights original here as well. Original LED type fog lamps here. Okay, just in case if you like original, you can add some of the items to be original set, like logos, roof rail, LED fog lamps, tail lights, headlights. That's brackets for the front, brackets for the rear, that hood lock, hinges. Okay guys, you name it, we have it. Okay guys, so we have all that items in stock. Body kit of Land Cruiser old model FJ200 to change to the facelift 2020-2021 style. Okay guys, rear step cover is included. Chrome trims for the radiator grille. This is the fog lamps, which are equipped with the cover trim, with chrome, brackets, wire harness, LED. Even the button is there. Okay. That's mud flaps. So when you change the body kit, when you go for the new lip spoilers, to upgrade like a VX style, something like that, so you must go for the new mud flaps. Okay, so it already comes with the kit, with the lip spoiler kit. This is moldings of 2012 to 2015, the big ones. We also have the new slim type of moldings, chrome as well. Interior again, interior package. These are the leather parts, PVC leather for the sides. This is a gear shifter here. This is a compartment. box. Side steps are with LED, so that's lights coming for the side skirts and the corners. Chrome trim for the back, for the trunk door. Trunk door is also included. Okay, that's a center support for the hood lock, center frame. So all that metal parts are included. Thank you for watching.